Hi, half moon of a failed nail designs. This design is totally dry, which make it a perfect if you can afford to go to a style. The color are a pretty and will make a great transition. Nail into a winter. The design is a gold at the bottom of this nail, red and gold glitter French tip. Personally, I would probably start out the red to a darker shape of a red and make if my own. Cute autumn nail designs almond. Almond nails are a proper trend for a medium and go long nails. They have a great sophistication of them and this elegant fall nail design is a proof. The colors are a beautiful and will suit any fall of outfit. Design are a menu of glitter, marble nail and a black nail art with stones. Cute autumn nail design made. Accent nail design double the fun with this cute autumn nail designs. The green made nails ready complete with the two model finger designs. If you will already be embracing the fun side of autumn with this design. Burgundy fall nail designs. Burgundy is a purple red shade for fall, so it is no surprise how stunning the design is. It really helps the white and glitter in the model to stand out. Burgundy has a touch of England's and this fall stand alone color. It would look great in a sold burgundy on fall fingers as well as pink as well. When bright orange is not enough, the black purple stripes in the elevate the look. The design has a three stand of element to embrace the season and adding silver glitter over to the black purple